Hello, welcome to the FLTK Rust series. So this is an update regarding the recent release of 0.10.0 of the crate. If you can see the changes here, there's one breaking change regarding the app wait command. If you remember, if we ran, for example, before, we used to do app wait unwrap or expect or whatever. So now this doesn't work. Since wait returns a boolean, the error handling has been moved to another place in the code. So it no longer makes sense to return a result. So the change that's needed is just to remove the unwrap here, and this should run normally. The second change, if you've seen the previous episode, you've seen that we've added the set callback to method, which exposes the widget in the closure arguments. This release exposes also the draw2 method and the handle2 method, and for the tables, the drawCell2 method, which all of which expose the widget in the closure argument. So, for example, if we, like in the previous video, we can now access the button in the closure itself instead of having to clone it, wrap it, and RC, refcell, etc. So here we get the access to the button. And we can modify the button. It's the same thing for the draw method and the handle method, etc. Another thing was the removal of the requirements for box closures. So previously we had to do something like box new to be able to handle closures. This still works, however, it's no longer needed. So it's complaining it needs a type. So this works, however, we can remove the boxing. And this should also work. Another thing, there has been some handling of errors, usually using the CString new method or a function, for example, in the std FFI CString new whatever, for example, val. This would give us back a CString, a null terminated CString. However, if you pass, for example, an inner null character, this would panic. So now actually the error handling is done so that if you pass an internal null character, this would truncate until the null character automatically. And I've removed several methods which were internal to the traits themselves and weren't supposed to be in the public API. So hopefully these are all unsafe and unstable methods. So hopefully they weren't being used. So for the moment, the only change, the breaking change, was the removal of the unwrap after wait. So that was basically it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Bye.